everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I want to talk to you about our dual laser light park assist tool. It's like a sensor. So this gets mounted in the center of your garage, whether you have 2 bays or 1 bay. There's 2 laser lights that can be pointed. You can move them around. And it's for the people that, say you have an extra deep garage or even a shallow garage, and your nose of your car is just right there, and you never want to hit that wall and damage your car. So mount this up there. I'll give you a little short video on how to mount them. And you can aim the light right at the hood. And when that light comes on, it's motion sensor, has a motion sensor. So as soon as you pull in, it comes right on. And you line the beam right up on your hood, and you know that's the proper distance. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So here I'm going to hang the laser guide for the garage parking. And I'm going to use the bottom of my car here that I have on a lift as a reference to your garage ceiling. So we're going to use the table as the wall, and I'm going to clean a spot under here on my spare tire connector. And I've just got some double-sided Velcro because obviously I'm not going to leave it attached to the car. And I'm just going to line this up and hang it just as if it was a ceiling in the garage. And now I'm going to get my car and bring it in and aim my lasers at where I want my car to stop. So what I did was mount that on the trunk of a car just for reference, because obviously our ceiling height is too high. I put the table as the wall in your garage, and every vehicle is going to be different. So it all depends on what kind of car you have, where you can visually see on your hood. So on this little Mini, on this Mini, I can't see over the hood. I'm 5'1". I'd like to say I'm 5'2.5". 5'1", and I can't see over the wiper blades. This is all open season to me, I can't see it. So I'm not going to be able to use a reference on the hood, so I aimed my laser light to go somewhere on my dash. So every night I come home, I pull into my garage, I'm going to put this laser and aim it so that it sits right on top of the sensor on the middle of my dash. So I know when my red light laser hits that, it's as far as I can go. It gives me about almost 2 feet clearance here, in case my balance is off someday, but that's what I'm going to aim at. So you at home, if you have a longer nose hood and you can see from the seat, all depends on your height, you can aim it at a certain point. Like I would probably want to use the washer nozzles. That's a great reference point on this open hood with a whitish, tannish color. And then it also has 2 doors, so if you have a dual garage, you can separate your lasers to do 2 cars. Nobody's left out. Everybody in the family has a laser. Oh, where's my laser light? Let's see. Here it comes. Boom.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.